I was just too young to remember. I mean, I'm the only kid on the island whose dad was eaten.
Still, it had to be traumatic.
No, not for me, bro. Not for me.
What's your name?
Okay.
To go away. That's great.
You guys want a drink?
Cody, I don't want to drink.
Responsibility and life.
This is kind of. This is not normal.
When is this now?
Don't meddle. Cody!
It's really disrespectful. I would never do
That's great.
Do you guys want a drink?
that. Runway.
I don't want to drink.
Responsibility, life.
This kind of. This is not noise. So,
When is this not?
don't that noise. Cody!
It's real disrespectful. I would never do that.